Have you ever seen tiny lights flying in the night? Those are fireflies, also called Jugnu. They look like little stars dancing in the dark. Fireflies are not flies at all. They are insects just like beetles. But they're super special because they can glow. Fireflies have a tiny magic light in their tummy. But it's not really magic. It's science. They use a special chemical called luciferin that makes them glow. This is called bioluminescence. They blink their lights to talk to each other, especially when they're looking for a friend. Each kind of firefly has its own blink-blink pattern, like secret codes in the dark. Fireflies love to live in warm and wet places, like forests, near rivers, or even fields. They don't like bright lights, so you'll find them in quiet, dark places. Baby fireflies, called larvae, eat snails and worms. But grown-up fireflies? Some eat nectar, and some don't eat at all. Pop-up facts style. There are over 2,000 kinds of fireflies. Some fireflies flash together at the same time. Like a light show, firefly numbers are going down. Let's help them by keeping nature clean. Next time you see a tiny light in the dark, it might be a firefly saying hello. Keep your eyes open and your heart full of wonder.